A very good morning, class. This is the next second class of physics of chapter heat. We have in previous chapter we have completed till what is heat, what we have covered, what is temperature, what is the difference between heat and temperature, how we can measure temperature with the help of a thermometer, and what types of thermometer being commonly used. Right? Any other thing we have discussed? Anything which we have discussed in previous class, which I am not including? Which I am not including? Any other thing? So, now today we are going to learn transfer of heat. What we are going to learn? Transfer of heat. Means how heat is transferred. Okay, let's can anyone see transfer of heat? What we are going to learn? Transfer of heat. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Let's start then. We are going to learn transfer of when a body heat is to carry heat. We have to carry heat from one part of the object to another part. What does this mean? To carry heat, transfer means okay. In simple language, अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट हम लोग ट्रांसफर करते कहते हैं ये सामान यहाँ से लेके वहां ले जाना ट्रांसफर कहा जाता है या नहीं? यस और नो?
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को वन प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस पे ले जाते हैं हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? ट्रांसफर. In the same manner, when we carry heat from one object to another, from one part of the body to another part of the body is called transfer of heat. What it is called as? What it is called as?
Transfer of heat.
Transfer of heat. Is it clear? Is the concept of transfer of heat clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no? Now let's see how this takes place. Now suppose there are two objects. Let's take two separate objects. One is a hot object. Okay. One is a hot object. And let's say another object which is a cold object. What is a cold object. Now there is three conditions which we have to follow for transfer of heat. One, heat always travels from a hot object to a cold object. How it travels?
Hot object.
Cold
object. From a hot object to a hot object.
And one more thing. That means hot object means object having higher temperature. Yes or no? This object is having higher temperature, right? And this object is having lower temperature. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So now कब तक ये heat transfer होगा? This heat will take transfer as long as, तब तक ये heat transfer होगा जब तक ना एक hot body का temperature cold body के बराबर हो जाए या cold body का temperature hot body के बराबर हो जाए. मेरी बात समझ में आई? तीनों चीजें समझ में आई या नहीं? फिर से रिपीट करें नहीं तो. तीनों कंडीशन समझ में आया ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट का? कि रिपीट करें? और Shall I repeat or you've understood it? Understood. Okay, let's see.
Ma'am,
Again I'm saying. You can switch on your cameras when I'm speaking. See, there are two objects. Suppose there is a cup, hot cup, and a, let's say, two objects. This cup is hot and this mouse is hot. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Can you see? Now what will happen? This is having the cup is having a high temperature and the mouse is having a low temperature. Yes? Now what will happen? The heat from this cup will be transferred to the heat of this mouse. But till the time तब तक ट्रांसफर होगा जब तक इन दोनों का टेम्परेचर एक ना हो जाए. जैसे ही इन दोनों का टेम्परेचर एक हो जाएगा, ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट विल स्टॉप. हीट का जो ट्रांसफर हो रहा था वन बॉडी टू अनदर या वन पार्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट टू अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट विल स्टॉप. इज इट क्लियर नाउ और स्टिल कंफ्यूज्ड?
ma'am, clear.
Clear? So can anyone repeat? What are the conditions for transfer of heat? What we have learned? Can anyone repeat? Can anyone repeat?
Salt be transferred from a hot object to a cold object.
Yes. Then two conditions are necessary na transfer of heat. What is the second condition?
Ma'am, heat. Ma'am,
Heat.
it is the temperature of both the objects is the same.
Right. So it transfers as long as the temperature of the both objects are that both hot and cold objects are same. So with this we come. Okay, now let's see next thing. This was what is the concept behind transfer of heat. Now let's see how it means, what are the modes with which it takes transfer of heat. The transfer of heat takes place. Okay, that is modes of transfer of heat. What we say? See,
Ma'am, modes of transfer of heat.
कहते हैं ना मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. जैसे होता है हमारे क्या है, एयरवेज, वाटरवेज, ऐसे है ना, राइट? किसी चीज को
Yes, ma'am.
उसी तरह से इन द सेम मैनर ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट हैज थ्री मोड्स. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर दे एंड देन वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग वन आफ्टर वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट वन इज conduction. Okay. Second one is,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
my voice is not coming, but my speaker is on. My speaker is on. Still it is not coming.
Ma'am, it is coming. It is gone. Ma'am, it is coming.
Okay. Okay, the second method is, can you see my screen? Second method is,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
and finally the third method is radiation. Acha, one question is from my side. We are talking about objects, yes or no? We are talking about objects.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, objects are states of matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Objects are states of matter, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many states of matter are there?
Ma'am, three. Ma'am,
Okay.
three states of matter.
Solid, liquids and gases. Okay.
Yes.
Which is, and all these states of matter are made up of molecules?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So let's understand. Can you tell me which state of matter is the tightest one, whose molecules cannot move?
Ma'am, solid.
Solid.
Ma'am,
Then-
solid.
Then comes liquid and lastly comes gases. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm taking with the third one. Okay. Now let's see first conduction. Conduction place in those objects. Conduction takes place in those because objects which are tightly packed. Why? Because it requires direct contact. Why? Why? It requires what? Direct contact. What is conduction? Listen to the definition then. The mode of transfer of heat from hotter part of the material to the colder part of the material in contact with it. Means what? For conduction, the two objects, the hot object and the cold object, should be in contact. Understood? That means when the objects are in contact, the molecules are tightly packed. What is happening exactly? The heat is being transferred from one molecule to the other. Understood or not? Means if I am heating here, if I am heating an object here, right? Then because of the molecules being tightly packed, because the molecules are tightly packed, what is happening? From one molecule to another, the heat is being transferred, and the other end of the heat, other end of the body is also getting heated without directly heating it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is happening? So let's take a live example. Let's take a live example. Suppose there is an iron rod, okay? Okay? And we have used some waxes on it. Drop some waxes on it. Like this, here one, here one, here one, here one, here one. Okay. Now, one more here. Now I am inflating a heat here at one end. Okay. Now can you tell me what will happen when I will, in case of conduction, if I will heat here, this wax will melt? Yes or no? This wax drop
Yes,
will
ma'am.
melt or no? But due to conduction, क्योंकि ये solid heat will transfer from this is an iron rod, this is metal, solid. So what will happen? The heat will transfer from this part of the body to another due to conduction or not?
Ma'am, it will transfer.
And slowly what will happen? Slowly what will happen? These all waxes will also melt. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But we are not giving heat to each and every wax point. Yes or no? Are we giving?
No, ma'am.
No.
So what is this? This is called conduction. What is called?
Ma'am, conduction.
Conduction.
And see, it is also higher body to lower body. So what are the two conditions? And this thing can happen in all the three states of matter. The maximum will take place in solid. Maximum in, you can see this conduction in solid, then in liquids, and finally less in gases. But it takes place in all the three states of matter. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now,
Yes.
so what are the two conditions for, can you compute what are the two conditions required for conduction? Can anyone guess now? If you have understood, please analyze. Yes.
Ma'am, the two objects must be in contact with each other so that,
Contact.
ma'am, the hot surface.
Wait. Who said?
Ma'am?
It should be contact, not contract. Contract is a paper deal, and contact is being in touch. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You are saying correctly. Yes.
Ma'am, the temperature of both the objects should be different.
Yes. The temperature of both the objects, and it will take as long as till the temperature of both the objects is same. Understood? Understood what is conduction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now comes one more thing in this only. Conduction cannot take place in all the objects, all the materials. ये तो हर बॉडी गर्म करने से हीटेड नहीं हो जाती, होती या नहीं? So it is differentiated into two types. Conductors are differentiated into two types. One is called as good conductor. What is called as?
Good conductors.
Means materials in which conduction takes place, right?
Conductors.
Materials in which conduction takes place will be good conductors. And another is insulators. Insulators. In electricity also you have learned this thing. Good conduct insulators word. That means what? Another word. And conductors. Understood? What are insulators? Means materials which do not allow the heat to transfer. Good conductors are what? Which allow heat to transfer. And bad conductors are what? Which do not allow heat to transfer. Can anyone give me some good example of good conductors? Can anyone
Good conductors like good conductors like gold, silver, metal,
gold, aluminium.
Ma'am,
copper,
and
aluminium,
bad conductors?
iron.
Bad conductors?
Ma'am, rubber, glass,
Right.
and paper.
One more thing. Either they got, if they are bad conductors, either they got burned or they get melted. Yes or no? If the object is a bad conductor, either it melts or gets burnt or does not allow the heat. For example, if you take the example of ice, igloos. Yes or no? It does not allow, if it is, what is happens in an igloo? It is a closed ice box, right? Heat is captured within the ice box. And due to being bad conductor, it does not allow the inside heat to move out. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So igloos are warmer inside and colder outside. Yes or no?
Outside.
So transfer of heat is not.
Yes, ma'am.
Because, and why? Because the transfer of heat is not taking place and they are bad conductors. Let's take one more example. Can give me some examples. Only I will be giving. I have given you two examples. Can you give me one some?
Ma'am, bakelite wood.
That right? Bakelite woods. That's okay.
Okay. Rubber, plastic.
Okay, let's take a common example. You have seen your mother's cooking? You have seen your mother's cooking or not? Yes or no? सबने देखा है ना मम्मी
Yes,
को कुक करते हैं. Jab when she uses a saucepan or something, some part of where the handle is there is made up of plastic or some solid material which does not catches heat. The rest of the body is made up of something which gets heated. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is happening? Conduction is taking place in that object and the metal body is getting heated. But since the handles are bad conductors, your mother or whosoever is cooking can touch the pot and shift from one place to another or cook it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called as conduction. Anything clear, not clear in case of conduction, please ask, or else I will move with next one. That is convection.
Ma'am, clear.
Clear? Now, what is happening in convection? Here molecules were not moving, but being in contact, the molecules were transferring heat from one part to another. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
But in convection, molecules from higher temperature move to a part where there is cold temperature, and the cold part comes to heat. Means what? Molecules are moving. What is happening in convection? See, let's take an example. First see the diagram, then you will understand better. Suppose there is a vessel, okay, and it's filled with water. Okay, what it is filled with? Water. So, water is made up of loose molecules, yes or no? Water is made up of loose molecules, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, when it's made up of loose molecules, what is happening? And now, for example, sun's heat is coming from up. Okay? ऊपर से sun की heat आ रही है. So, what is happening? The upper layer of molecules are getting heated. What is happening? The upper layer of molecules are getting heated and they are moving down. What is happening? They are moving here and there. Here and there. Obviously vaporizing. गर्म चीज vaporize हो जाती है. But what is happening? Now, heat cannot penetrate this inside. Can it penetrate? क्या ये इसके नीचे अंदर जा पाएगा? नहीं. So what is happening? The molecules from where the space is being created, मतलब ये hot molecules हट जा रहे हैं और ये cold molecules ऊपर उनकी जगह ले रहे हैं. मेरी बात समझ में आई? आई बात समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
तो क्या हुआ? यहाँ molecules का movement हो रहा है या नहीं? Particles move कर, and
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is called as convection. What is called as?
Convection.
Convection. So definition form में बताओ. Definition form में बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Concept समझ में आया? तभी definition बोल के फायदा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Concept आया? Is the concept clear? What is happening?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Molecules are moving.
right, molecules are moving. The hot molecules are moving and the cold molecule to a lower temperature, right or wrong? Obviously, जहाँ heat नहीं हो, they are moving to a colder region. So what is? Convection is the process of transfer of heat. Convection is the process of transfer of heat from a region of higher temperature. Yes or no? From a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature by the actual movement of particles. Yes or no? But
Yes, ma'am.
within the same medium. Is the medium changing? What was in case of conduction? The medium was different. Two mediums or two bodies were in contact. Right? But whatever is happening, it is happening in the same medium. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, convection is the process of transfer of heat from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature by the actual movement of particles through the medium. Or we can say what? Heat travels from a hotter region to a colder region. Yes or no? By the actual movement of particles. By the actual movement of particles through the medium. Yes or no?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
can you tell me which state of matter only in which states of matter only the convection can take place?
Ma'am, gas.
Okay. And
Ma'am, liquid.
can it
Ma'am,
take
liquid.
place in
gas.
solids? Can it take place in solids?
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Because
Ma'am.
the particles are tightly packed. Yes or no? Molecules are
Yes, ma'am.
tightly packed. Okay. Last one
Yes, ma'am.
is the radiation. Last one is the radiation. When the bodies are not in contact, but still the heat is being transferred. When the bodies are not in contact, but the heat is still transferred, that is called as radiation. What it is called as? Radiation. सबसे live example, summers. These are summers. You can see whenever you put your clothes in sun, is the sun touching your clothes? Is the sun touching your clothes? No, na? But still, due to the warmth of sun, the clothes get dry. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is this?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
radiation. What is this? This is radiation. So, easy example? Easy example to remember or not?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is? That means in conduction, the three states of matter are required. Any three states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. The conduction can take place. That means it requires a medium. Then convection, only liquids and gases, because of the particle movement, it requires whichever state of matter have the movement in particles, that can only can be used for convection, right? So, but in case of radiation, no medium is being used. Any medium is being used. क्या हम कह रहे हैं यहाँ से हीट यहाँ ट्रांसफर हो रही है, हम देख पा रहे हैं?
No, ma'am.
What is radiation? The process in which heat is transferred from a hotter region to a colder region, without any medium in contact, is called as radiation. Is it clear? क्या तीनों modes of transfer clear हुए हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
अब इन रेडिएशन में भी दो टाइप के बॉडीज होते हैं. एक रिफ्लेक्टर्स होते हैं which does not allow the heat to come. White bodies are good reflectors. कैसे होते हैं? they लाइट पड़ा था, रिफ्लेक्शन पड़ा था, लाइट पड़ा था रिफ्लेक्शन में.
Yes, ma'am.
लाइट बेंड करती है, तो वॉट एवर शाइनिंग बॉडी पे जब लाइट पड़ती है क्या तो बेंड कर जाती है, राइट और रॉन्ग? इन प्रीवियस क्लास यू हैव लर्नड लाइट और नॉट?
Ma'am, we have learned.
Yes,
So you know the concept, the nature of the light. It reflects back. Yes or no?
Yes,
So on the shiny surface, it reflects back. Yes. So what has happened when being light, sun or due to radiation, it's a form of light only. Nature of light, right? Not form of light. We can say it's similar to light. Nature of light. So what is happening when the body is shiny or white? Shiny and white, the surface works as a reflector and it does not absorb heat, but a dark or a black body absorbs heat. What happens? A black body absorbs it. So in summers you wear white clothes, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But in winters you prefer to wear dark clothes, yes?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
in summers, if we wear light colored clothes or white clothes, what happens? The sun's heat reaches, but it is not absorbed by the clothes and we do not feel hot. Yes? But in winters, sun's heat is not coming too much to us. So what is happening? We need more heat. And how can we, whatever heat is being coming to us, we need it to be captured so that it stays with us for a long duration, right? So what happens? These black colored clothes capture the heat, absorb it within us and gives us the warmth. Understood? Same thing happening with the solar cooker. You can have seen solar cookers or solar utensils are always of black body. Yes or no? Have you ever seen they are of white body? No. They are black bodies. So that they can absorb maximum heat. by radiation. Any confusion with this? Was a 3 modes of transfer of heat, where from one part of the object to one part of the body to another part of the body, the heat is being transferred. Understood? Any confusion in any of the thing? Conduction, convection and radiation I will be repeating. Please ask. कोई confusion रह गया है इन तीनों transfers में?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat radiation, both the parts.
Radiation.
Ma'am, both.
Radiation. Huh?
Ma'am, reflector and the other.
Okay, reflectors means what does the word reflection means? Moving back, yes or no? Bouncing back? Bouncing back?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
so what is happening? If you are wearing white or light color clothes, the radiation coming, heat coming through radiation gets reflected back. Right? It does not get absorbed. But if you are wearing dark clothes, what is happening? The radiation is coming to the part of the body, gets absorbed. So, reflectors and absorbers, good reflectors, bad reflectors, many terms are being used. But the sense of the theme is same. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes, how to recognize a body is reflector or a absorber? Simply just see the color. If it is a light colored, light shade or white colored thing, it will be a what? Reflector.
Reflector.
But if it is a dark colored shade thing, then it will be a dark color or black colored thing, it will be an absorber. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Any
Okay, ma'am.
confusion? Now still any confusion?
No, ma'am.
So,
No,
should I
ma'am.
end the class here now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.